Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everybody. My name is Martyn Lucas and I'm the Day Trader. We're live here every morning and every evening across multiple platforms. Hello to all of you on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and multiple websites. If you want the best experience, as always, do watch me on YouTube because you can see my trading screens. Here on TikTok, you're only seeing my face because that's the way it works. Right. The first thing you need to do is click the subscribe and ring the bell wherever you are now. Thank you very much indeed. Click the bell and click the subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm talking rubbish here, and then give it a thumbs up as well. Like the video, that really helps us grow here on YouTube. Fantastic. Let's go over to my live trading screen now. Here we are. This is my position right now. 51,182. We've had an okay day today. Shares are up everywhere. For those of you watching me on TikTok, just tap on the screen like I'm doing right now. There you see all the little things on the screen. Tap on the screen like that. And if you go to the profile at the top, then you will see the link to YouTube, and you can come and join me live here on YouTube. The experience is far better for you. On TikTok, you're only seeing this front camera, whereas you can actually see the whole studio. All right. Great. So let me have a look right now. We are 51,166. What a day we've had today. Let's cover everything. Things are just dropping off now. It looks like we're going to have a bit of a sell-off going perhaps into the weekend. We'll see what happens. Anthony, hi. Anthony, is that Anthony? Anthony Mio. I can't remember. Struggling to pronounce your name. How are you, mate? One of my friends, and I just can't pronounce that name. Anthoniomo 123. Is that right? Do I have that right? I do apologise. Come and join me, my friend, over on YouTube. You get a much better experience. You can actually see what I'm trading here. So let's have a look at all the trading screens. Amazon is up today 1%. That's great. I got $18 total up now, which is $3,349. Johnson & Johnson, $173 a share right now, which is just flat today. Nothing really going on there. Tesla is up today 1.49%. That's right. Oh, I did get it right. Anthonio Mao. I'm so apologise. That's so difficult for me to say, and I don't know why. Anthonio Mao. Where are you from? That's a very exotic name. I want to get it right. So Tesla is up 1.5%. Facebook up to today 2.35. As we're going into the weekend, Apple is up 0.68. Tap on the screen if you're on TikTok. Show me some love. And come and join us here on YouTube if you want to get the best experience. Coca-Cola is up 0.14. VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, of course, that's up today 1.1%. SPCE up 2.63 today. I'm still down $1,100 because my average is 32 and we're still at 26. So I've got a way to go before I can sell there. Let's have a look. Ford is up 3% today. That's great. I'm still down 7%, but we are moving in the right direction finally. Rolls-Royce up 2.6% today. That's great. Very, very pleased about that. Robinhood just down 0.5%. So there we go. If you are on TikTok, tap the screen and say hello. But if you want to be part of the main show where you see the screens, please do tap on the profile button and come over directly to YouTube where you'll see my trading screens. Okay. Lucid Group is down today. Lucid is down 2.63. I'm down $98 on that one right now. Harpoon Therapeutics had a good day today. In fact, it's had quite a reasonable week. We're up 10% on the week, which is good. So we are showing some growth back into Harpoon. I'm glad about that. I'm still down though, considerably down, but nevertheless, we're moving in the right direction. So we're happy with that. Pfizer is down today, 1.65%. And I've got some shares in that one. Bitcoin, of course, this is the big story for the weekend. Up right now. Hi, Leah's here. Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you much indeed. Yes, we're up 2.86%. 2.86%. 2.87. You watch 2.88. This is going to be quite a weekend. I think this weekend, when all those contracts expire, which is normally around about the after hours in the next half an hour. If my memory serves me correctly, we could start seeing some real volatility with Bitcoin. So we shall see what happens there. All right. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin news. Let's cover the Bitcoin news. And here we go. Bitcoin fever reaches Honduras. First cryptocurrency ATM. There we go. They've got their ATM machine. There it is. Let's look at the people there. Look, getting all excited. Juan Mayan, 28, chief executive of Honduras firm TGU Consulting Group, is very excited because they've got their first ATM for Bitcoin being installed in Honduras. So that's wonderful news. That's great news for Bitcoin, of course. August 27th, the first cryptocurrency ATM in Honduras opened this week as Bitcoin backers sought to spur demand for virtual assets after neighboring El Salvador became the first country to establish Bitcoin as legal tender. The machine, locally dubbed La Bitcoinera, allows users to acquire Bitcoin and Ethereum using the local Lempiria currency and was installed in an office tower in the capital of Honduran firm TGO Consulting Group. There we go. Wonderful. Dr. Nathan Smith is here. We've missed you, Doctor. How are you? We've had quite a interesting week this week. And in fact, today we broke records. We had 20 likes today. So it was an all-time record today for my channel. So we're very excited about that. And you can see we're starting off today at 882 subscribers. We're nearly at 1,000 now. Very, very excited about this. Nearly at 1,000. So the channel is starting to take off. And our portfolio is up today, 1.43. How about you? I am well. How is everyone? Yes? You're the first one here. Very, very unusual. We normally have the team all here by now, but for some reason they're all lying on the beach. I'm sure they'll be here in a minute. Leah's just come in, and it's lovely to have you here. I've never yet had less than 10 people in the show. Never less than that. Average mean is 15. So today was 20. So we're doing well. All right. So Amazon's up today, and you've missed a couple of big plays, Doctor. I actually had, as you know, my second biggest asset in my portfolio was Carnival Cruise Lines, and $9,500, and I sold it all. 2 days ago. I took $400 profit, and I then purchased stock like I'll tell you what I purchased. I increased my position on Amazon. I increased my position on Tesla, Johnson & Johnson, Facebook, Apple, Coke, some really good solid stocks, the sort of stocks you keep and never sell. A Vanguard ETF. So that's what I did. I put all $9,000 across those assets, and of course, because I had $480 worth of profit, then obviously I got some in real terms some free stock. That's the way I look at it. So it's quite good. It was frustrating to be out of Carnival because I think Carnival are still going to do well, but other shares have done well in its place. So very good choice. Yeah, thank you very much. You make me feel better now. I was feeling a bit down about it because I'm out of Carnival right now, and it's continued to it dropped back. It felt good, but today we've had a 4% rise. Let me show you. This is Carnival today. It's had, look, as you can see, now a 4% rise today, which is basically where we were down. So it's pretty much flat again. So, oh, Alicia's here. Alicia, welcome. Dr. Smith is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're up to 9 likes now. Fantastic. The crowd's all here. 51,149. I am looking to sell something today, if I can, in the next 20 minutes before the bell goes, because I want to put some money back in the bank. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on a few things here right now. Patricia is here as well. Here they are, the April ladies from Italy, of course. Welcome, 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 everybody. And let's go across. We've got some breaking news I want to bring to you all as well. So let's have a look at this. This was some news just a short while ago.
On the news yesterday. Yeah, they finance a lot of the money. Huge part of a firm's revenue base for sure is Peloton. Let's get to the opening bell on this Friday morning. The CNBC real-time exchange of the big board. It's UK-based used car seller Cazoo celebrating its listing on the NYSE. At the NASDAQ, it is robotics company Berkshire Grey.
Cazoo.
Other big mover this morning has been Gap. 70 cents beats 46. Revenue ahead.
Used car sales company, British company. Let's have a look at that. Shall we go and look at Cazoo? C-A-Z-Z. Is that if I spell that right? Cazoo. Here we go. How's their day been? Oh, they're up 8%. There we go. That's Cazoo's first day on the stock market, up 8%. So not too bad. Not a great pop, 8%. So it's a pretty cheap stock, of course, $9.44. But I'm not looking to get into anything else. Italy says hi to all traders. Good evening. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much indeed. And welcome to you, Alicia and Patricia. Wonderful stuff. We're quiet in the house tonight. Bit quiet in the house is unusual for us. But Dr. Nathan Smith's here, and this morning, of course, we had a record. We had 20 this morning, and we had a very long show. Maybe that's it. 2 hours was a bit too much this morning. We had a very, very long show this morning. We were doing all sorts of stuff. But there you go. So I'm looking to take some profits today. I need to put some money back in the bank to pay for a few things. So I'm looking to find opportunities to sell a couple of things, perhaps. I'm looking to make maybe $2,000 would be good if that was possible. Maybe it's not, but I'm not going to sell for the sake of it. But we'll have a look. I've got 3,500 worth of Tesla, and that's up 3.5%. I could sell there and take some profit there if I wanted to, perhaps. Martyn Redding, welcome Martyn Redding. Martyn Redding is here. If you've just joined us here on The Day Trader, click subscribe and ring the bell. Welcome everybody, and don't forget, give us a thumbs up. We had 20 this morning. They dropped back, didn't it, for some reason, to 17. But we did actually get 20 at the peak this morning. Facebook, I'm up 1.5% total. I'm looking at my total profits here today, because I'm looking to take some money out, and then I'll re-enter again. But Apple, I'm up 1.36. What else have we got to look at today? Virgin Galactic, of course, I can't do anything with that. Ford, I'm still down. I can't do anything with that. Rolls Royce, I don't want to do anything with that. Mind you, I could if I wanted to, but there is some money there I could take. Robinhood, I'm up 25%. I could sell. Oh no, I can't because of the IPO rules. I can't do that. Lucid, I wouldn't want to sell there because I'm down, of course. Harpoon Therapeutics, same thing. I'm down with that, so I wouldn't want to do that. Pfizer, I wouldn't want to do that. I could take some profits on Bitcoin, but I think Bitcoin is going to have a really big weekend. So I'd miss out on all of that. Let's go look down my portfolio. There's a lot more I have. What about Builder? Builder, I'm up 23%. Let's have a look at that one. How much do I have in that? Builder, I've made $336. I'm up 23% on Builder. I could take that there. I could sell all of that. That would be helpful to me. I'm up 23%. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got 9 likes. If you have not liked the video, smash the like button and subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching this on the replay. I know some people watch on the replay. So, Builder's first source 53.45. I've made 23%. What do you think of this? Up 16. Yeah. Let me have a look. It's I wonder. We're up 3% today. It's a very good day. Riskified is up 10% today. Just noticed that. Let me go and have a look at Riskified. I'm looking to sell something out to put some money in the bank. That's basically what I'm doing today. Sometimes you have to do that. You don't always want to do it, but Riskified is up. I've got some good profit in Riskified as well. I'm up 37% in Riskified. Look at that. But I haven't got very much in that at all. Yeah, I haven't got very much in that at all. I'm not sure. I've got a few minutes. I've got 10 minutes to decide, really, because I do need to do something. I could wait until Monday, of course. It's not desperate right now. I think Builder is talking to me. I think Builder possibly has an opportunity there because I've made 23%. I've made $333. Sell Builder equivalent to your buy-in and keep your profit in play as the stock. So sell Builder equivalent to your buy-in and keep your profit. Oh, I see. Leave the 331 in. I see what you're saying. I've got you. Okay, so take out, sell $1,300 worth. So that's what really we're saying, isn't it? Yeah. That's not a bad way of looking at it. Take $1,400. Sell $1,400. 5, 6, 7. That loses $350. Yeah, that's right. Leave my profit in there. Because I need some money in the bank. I need some actual money transferred from my buying power into the bank. I've got some bills to pay. I think that's a sensible way of looking at it. I think that's a sensible way of looking at it. If I sell $1,400 worth and leave the profit, that's a very good way of looking at it. Yeah, I like that. Let's have a look. Is it a good moment to do it? It's been slightly better. It's just dropping back a tad, but pretty much. So sell $1,400. I do all that at the time, and that is a stock tank. That way, if the stock tanks, you still lose nothing. Yeah, that's right. Sell dollars, amount 1,400. Okay. Review order, sell. Ha, blimey. I'm getting a verification. Just bear with me a second here. Let me just come off the screen. Don't want to share the whole world all my details. I trust all of you, but you don't know who's watching my video tomorrow, right? There we go. Continue. Done. There we go. That's how we do that. That's how we do that. So now if I refresh the screen, there we go. There we go, Martin. I took your advice. That was a good call. That was a good call. That was a very good call. So I've still got 6.7 shares, and I've made a profit. Total return there now, and there we go. I've got $356, $357 now. It's just increasing a little bit more. There we go. So that's a good way of doing it. All right. So if I go back to my main portfolio, I now have some money in my buying power, and I need to take out some money. I'm going to leave some in here. So let's do that. Great. I've never, let me do it. Let me have a look at this. Right. This isn't very interesting for you guys, so I'll do it at the end of the show. I'll transfer some money out of there, but that's the way to do it. Thank you for suggesting that, Martin. That's a very, very good idea. I've left the profits, so like you say, if the shares tank, I'm just trading profits now, and that's a good idea. So there we go. There we go. All right, 51,181, and now I have some money. Now I can transfer to my bank and pay those bills. All right, brilliant. Johnson & Johnson dipping down today. Tesla dipping down today. Oh, is that Ahmed? Ahmed, is that it? Is that Ahmed 2020 over there on TikTok? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you want to see what I'm trading and what I'm actually doing here, just click on the profile button here on TikTok, and it'll take you into my YouTube channel, and that's where you can see I'm trading here. Martin says, I do that all the time. That way, if the stock tanks, you still lose nothing. Absolutely right. There we go. I feel that I am, you can always buy back in if it drops and you can see it right away. Absolutely. Yep. I'm getting used to getting rid of stocks because, you know, like I keep saying, the stock doesn't know you own it, but you do get attached to it, and you've watched it grow, but of course, you know, you can't grow if you just sit there. You have to buy and you have to sell. It's all part of the circle, right? So there we go. That's what we've done there. I made some money on that, and I've now got some money in my buying power once again. Great. All right, let's go through some of the other news today. We've covered that one. Let's have a look at this one here.
All right, welcome back. Time now for unusual activity. Pete, HP and Zynga, what are you seeing?
Right. I'm going right after your spot in the energy space, which I know you know so well. But Hemmerich and Payne, this is a really interesting one, Brian. This is a stock that was trading about $35 back in June. It pulled back significantly to 24. Here it is at 26 and a quarter today. And we have some 27 and a half call buying out in September. 10,000 of those calls are getting bought out in September. Wow. 75 cents. Very, very interesting to see that. I think that there's some upside here. The stock is definitely well off of its recent highs. I think this thing's ready to explode to the upside. Secondly, I've got Zynga. Now, we've had Zynga on a couple of occasions for unusual option activity. It's hit multiple times over the last month or so. Stock was about 8. Now it's trading right around 9. They're buying 10,000 of the September 9 calls, so it really doesn't take a whole lot of a move here. And the inexpensiveness of these options, we're talking about 21 cents to 34 cents on these options to the upside. Any move into the 9s, these options start to accelerate to the upside. I'm in both these trades. I like them, and I've got a lot of exposure in energy, Sully. I still think there's upside right now.
Well, HP is a big contract driller, down $10 off its highs for the summer. You do wonder if that buying signals that somebody, anybody, is bullish on more drilling activity as demand for gasoline just soars. By the way, traffic is just brutal.
There we go. So there's a bit of an inside tip for you there if you're interested in that. Record highs for the S&P 500 NASDAQ after Powell's speech. This came today, and we've seen that growth. So let's see how that went down.
More about this, Shannon. I'm going to start with you. Is this what it sounds like when doves fly?
I think so. Perhaps Prince said it a little bit better than that, but I think when we look at what happened today, if you if you think about what the market was anticipating, I think we're prepared to talk about a taper prior to year end. But what I want to stress is that there was talk of data. There's a dependency here that Powell and the rest of the FOMC continue to point to in thinking about the dual mandate. It's inflation and employment. And whether inflation is transitory or somewhat transitory or potentially more sticky, the employment side of the equation is still not back to where it needs to be in their view. And so
I just want to pause that a second and say hello, user 648. How are you? Welcome. If you want to see what we're trading, lovely to have you here. You're on TikTok. Just tap the screen, the profile button at the top. And if you do that, then you will see the link to my YouTube channel. And you can jump over on my YouTube channel. And we are there trading with the screens and information. You can only see me on my phone here. So I'd love you to come and join us. We've got a wonderful community here helping to support everyone. All right, so let's hear a bit more of this before we go on to the other news.
You think about dissecting this statement and you separate tapering from rate hikes, and we're looking out well into 2023, I think, still for additional rate hikes, then the market should anticipate a lower for longer interest rate environment. And for me, what that points to is potential moderation in economic growth just from a year-over-year perspective. And then you couple that with likely this lower for longer interest rate environment. Wow, that really, to me, points to high quality growth stocks as being a
high quality growth stocks. Yes, indeed. That's a lot what I've got invested in. Let's have a look at my portfolio right now and then let's see what's moving. And then let's look forward to the weekend with Bitcoin. Right, the bell has just gone. We're now closed for the week. We're in the after hours. Let's ring the bell. There we go. We're now into the after hours. Here we go. So let's see what happens now. Don't expect today a lot of action. I just feel there's not going to be much. Risky Fight has had a good day today. Carnival's had a good day. There's a recovery still coming in there. Amazon is up in the after hours as well. Continuing to climb. Johnson & Johnson just going sideways now. Tesla going sideways. Facebook going sideways. Apple just dropping a tiny bit. Coke still rising up there in the after hours. VTI pretty flat there on the after hours. Virgin Galactic, that looks like where we're going to finish the week. So it's been not bad at all today. Got some recoveries. Ford has had a reasonable time, 3.25% today. Rolls-Royce is now, like it always does, it's up 2.6% today, and now it will just sit there. Robinhood is now flat now. Been quite a flat day for Robinhood today. Lucid Group down a little bit more today, 2%. Harpoon Therapeutics, let me go over to the day. That's had a good day, up 3% today. That's not bad at all. So there we go. Pfizer down today, 1.66%. Bitcoin, I'm very excited about this weekend. I think this weekend we're going to break 50 again, and then we're going to really start to shoot up to maybe 55, 60. It's going to be a big weekend. I think that's going to happen. I think it's going to happen in the next couple of hours. Remember, Bitcoin trades 24/7. I know Martin, is it Martin or John, has got more into Bitcoin recently. I think it might be John. I think he has $12,000 worth. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, there we go. What's Apple's App Store changes mean for developers? I thought this was quite interesting. Have a little listen to this.
Thanks for joining us. I want to play devil's advocate here for a minute. It does seem like this kind of opens up the walled garden in a way that we've never seen Apple do before, right?
Thanks so much for having me, Julia. I have to disagree. This is really a sham settlement offer. It does nothing, as you mentioned, to really address the root causes of the problems that developers, large and small, continue to face as part of the Apple's App Store.
But what do you think is being overlooked here? What is the piece that you think would really make a difference? Is it about allowing developers to communicate more directly with their users?
What do you think? We've got the new phones around the corner. That normally is a very interesting time for Apple. Don't know about you, but I've got an iPhone XS Max, and I've still got no interest in buying a new one. So I think there's a lot of interest on Apple the next couple of weeks, next month. But I don't know. I mean, the phones don't seem to get much better. A little bit better camera and a little bit better this, but it's not really it's not really worth. I mean, it's so expensive. I mean, my phone was like $1,500 because it was the best one at the time, and it still works just the same. It's got not a single mark on it. It's perfect condition. I've got no interest whatsoever to sell that. But anyway, let's just listen into this. Market needs Fed Chair Jerome Powell to be clear on Fed's roadmap. Let's have a listen to this.
Now, Sarat Seth, the managing partner and portfolio manager at DCLA. He's also a CNBC contributor. Sarat, great to see you again this week. Obviously, we're all waiting for Jerome Powell, so choose your own adventure.
I want to thank user 648. I don't know who you are, but you're tapping away on TikTok, and as you tap, it sends love. It sends some likes. It really helps me grow on my TikTok channel. So thank you ever so much for doing that. Thank you very much indeed. And in fact, if you go to the profile, I'd like to welcome you over to YouTube, where you can actually see our trading screens. I think me too. It's too much expensive. Yes, it is very, very expensive. Apple, very expensive, but I'm not looking to buy a new one. So, and I think a lot of people are sort of stuck on the 10 now.
Sarat, in terms of what Jerome Powell might say, is he going to be relatively dovish, hawkish, remain the same?
I want to skip over this news because I thought this was more up to date, and in fact, that's a bit behind. So we're not gonna bother with that news at all. So we're looking at 51,163. It's quite a muted after hours now. I think the weekend is going to be owned by Bitcoin. I think this weekend is going to be huge. If we look at it, if we look at the information here, one day we've had a 2.5% today. A bit of volatility here during the afternoon. Pretty flat now, but I do think we're going to get quite a bounce this weekend. See if I'm right. See what happens. It happened before when the contracts expired. We had a big weekend, so I do see that coming up. But we shall see. Here's some interesting news. I've just noticed just pop up. Let's have a look at this. Amazon-backed Rivian seeking 70 to 80 billion valuation in IPO. Is Rivian public yet? I don't think so, is it? Let me have a look. Let me type that. Let's have a look at that. What's their RIV? Okay. I don't think they're public yet, are they? Rivian. No, they're not. No. Okay. Let's have a read into this then. Amazon-backed Rivian seeking 70 to 80%, 80 billion valuation in IPO source. Amazon.com. What's happening there on my screen? Oh, there we go. That's weird. Amazon.com backed electric vehicle maker Rivian is seeking a valuation of around 70 to 80 billion. If I'd read that first, I would have realized they're not on the stock market, but nevertheless. Valuation of around 70 to 80 billion at the time of its IPO. A source familiar with the matter told Reuters. Rivian said on Friday it had confidently submitted plans to regulators for a US initial public offering. Oh, this is going to be big, right? This is going to be big. The company, which aims to compete with Tesla, is looking to start production of an electric pickup and SUV this year. Ooh, what do you think about that? An Amazon-backed car company. You'd be a brave man to write them off, wouldn't you? That'd be an interesting one. That's very interesting. That really does, because that's right up my street. Amazon and Rivian. Because I know that Rivian are making all the trucks for Amazon. That's right, isn't it? All the Amazon electric trucks that are coming out are going to be Rivian. So you can imagine the growth potential, couldn't you, for that? I wonder when that's going to come out. I wonder when that's going to IPO. That could be very interesting. Hey guys, Klust has arrived. There he is. Now the party can get started. It's been very quiet this afternoon. It's quite a muted afternoon here on the stock market. I've just sold my builder. I needed to take some profits to put in cash to pay bills and stuff like that. Nothing exciting, I'm afraid. But sometimes you need some money. Klust is here, everybody. And I think he's already smashed the like button because it's just jumped to 12. Wonderful stuff indeed. We had a very long show this morning. 2 hours. 2 hours this morning. I tell you what, I'm looking forward to the weekend. It's been a very busy week. I've upped my tempo on my shows. I'm trying now to cover the earnings reports as well, making a lot more shorts, and I'm tired. I'm looking forward to a weekend, I tell you that. So Amazon, I'm going to keep this open because I want to know when Rivian, unless anyone knows Rivian, when Rivian are likely to IPO, because that sounds very interesting. You were sipping the beer. That's why it lasted. That listen, we're not doing that again. And I want to tell you something, right? The beer I was drinking is in the fridge. I haven't finished it. It's half a bottle. I didn't finish it. I can't be doing that again. 9 o'clock in the morning drinking beer. Oh, my God. Dr. Smith, what do you think of that? This morning, 9 o'clock this morning, I was drinking beer. Seriously? Martyn is taking a cruise on Carnival. No, I ain't. I am definitely not taking a cruise on Carnival. Oh, my God. An electric car by Amazon. Martyn, yes. Yes, it's called Rivian, and Rivian are making all the trucks for Amazon. That's been out for quite a while, but they've not gone public yet. Enjoying one myself now. Martyn is enjoying one. There we go. Do you know what? I might finish that beer now. I tell you what I'll do. I'll finish my show, and then I'll finish it in my drive home show, the singing show. Do you know we had 2,400 people yesterday? Did you know that? 2,400 people yesterday in my drive home show. Oh my God. Where is it? I was going to show you. I was like, wow, that's amazing. So where is it? So I go into here. Look at this. I'll show you. I couldn't believe it yesterday. I thought, no way, that's amazing. Live replay. Here it is. Yeah, look at this. Look. Have I got my iPhone plugged in? No. Right, look at my screen. Look at my screen. This is my live replay of... yeah, that's better. This is my live replay of TikTok yesterday. Look at this, look. See at the top? Right here, look, at the top. 2,288 viewers. Can you believe that? Yesterday, 2,228 viewers to the Martyn Lucas show, the drive home show. I was like, flipping heck, 2,200. They didn't all stay, it wasn't there the whole time, but that's the amount that came through. So that was a record. Every single show has gone up. The day before it was 2,241. Yesterday it was 2,288. So ETHW19 is here. How are you? Good to see you. Thank you very much for being here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And it's lovely to have you here. Come in and join us on YouTube. That's the best place to be. That way you see my trading screens. There we go. So yeah, I was really, really excited about that. 2,200 odd. And brilliant. So anyway. Clus says cheers. Alicia says cheers. Thank you very much indeed for everyone. So I'll finish that beer in the after hours. Anyway, 51,195. Builder's got trading sideways now. Very, very quiet in the after hours. So who beat me? Has anybody beat me today? Ras. I think, Dras. Wasn't Dras up today? Huge amount. ETHW19. Hi. Hello, we're friends. It says we're friends here on TikTok. Wonderful. Now, if we're friends, do me a favor. Do me a huge favor. Like, really, really big favor. Tap on the screen as many times as you can to give me some likes. And then go onto the profile and hop over to my YouTube channel where you'll see what I'm trading. Because you can't see it. All right. Let's have a look here a minute. La 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 la. We're looking at Amazon. See, in the after hours today, it's quite quiet. So my overall position today is I'm up 1.49 today. 1.49. That's not bad at all. ETHW19. One of my mates on TikTok is here. There we go. He's tapping the screen. That way we get some more likes, get some more people. But I'd love you to see the my trading position. Oh, excuse me, my trading position. Just jump over to YouTube. I'm really excited. I'm really interested in this. You keep seeing me look at it. Twitter stock is starting to coil up in a pennant. What's next? Remember, Twitter's important to everything because Twitter is with Jack Dorsey is planning on taking Bitcoin soon. Twitter stock is starting to coil up in a pennant. What's next? Let's have a look at that. Shares are trading higher, possibly bouncing back, some after losing ground later this week. Twitter says some troubles on the app Friday morning where some users were unable to get into the app, but most problems seem to have been resolved. That's good news. Twitter daily chart analysis. Shares are at the point of a pennant pattern and look like they could make a large move in either direction any time now. The stock is still trading with the pennant pattern and may continue to be squeezed within pattern support and resistance until it sees an above average volume day and purchase above or below one of the levels. We could do with Kenneth Brunk, get Kenneth Brunk's opinion on all that. He loves all the patterns and stuff like that. The stock is trading below the 50-day moving average, but above the 200-day moving average, indicating the stock is likely in a period of consolidation. I'd like to see what happens when Jack Dorsey says about bringing on Bitcoin. That's something they're planning to do, and it's quite imminent from what I've seen on Twitter and Reddit and places like that. So that's interesting news. All right. Okay. Not much happening here this afternoon. Looking at Bitcoin, we're starting to see some action there. We are up today 3%. We're getting ready. This is how it goes when these contracts expire. Clus says cheers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. ETH W19, hi. And connect with your new viewers. Hello, is that Hello Coat? Hello Oat. Hello Oat over there on TikTok. How are you? Hello Oat 777777. I would love to know the names behind these people. I'm always interested when I see what people put. Thank God it's Friday. Fish and pint day. I wish it was fish and chips, Martin. I wish it was fish and chips. If you want to see what I'm trading, hello Oat 777777. Click the profile button and join us here on YouTube, and you'll see my trading screen. Right, there we go. We're going pretty flat now. Not much to talk about today, folks. Not much to talk about now. We're trading sideways. There's very little action in the market. Fish and chips, lovely. Oh, with salt and vinegar. Oh, God, don't even say it. I've not had fish and chips for 2 years, and it's built into me. I'm an Englishman. What's going on? Oh, I need to go back to England. No chips on a diet. You on a diet, Martin? Let's bring Martin on the screen. Let's see if he looks like he needs a diet. That's a very small picture. Martin, say something else so you've got more of a bigger picture. There we go. Does Martin look like he needs a diet? I don't think he does he? I'm trying to zoom in, but I can't. It won't let me. Does Martin need a diet? In fact, I can look. If I press this button here, look, we can make. No, we can't. It's not making Martin any bigger. I thought it was. I'm up 2.61. Okay, 2.61. 290 pounds. 290 pounds. I'm about 220. That's all right. That's all right, mate. Don't worry about it. Yesterday we've eaten calamari and chips. Very, very nice. Oh, I know. Salt and vinegar chips. Delicious. Oh, God. I've not had it for over 2 years. It's ridiculous. Right. So, Clust is up 2.61. I'm at 1.47. So, Clust has it. Does anybody have more than 2.61? Steak and potatoes. Look at all of you. Stop it. Stop it. I'm in America. I can't have me English food. Don't say it. I tell you what. The moment this show finishes, I'm going to have a cup of tea with a biscuit. That's it. I'm going to do that straight after this show finishes. In 10 minutes, I'm going to go have a cup of tea and a biscuit. I tell you that for nothing. Right. So let's call the winner. Let's get all the scores in, please. We got 2.61. So far, Clust has the lead on 2.61. I love also salt and vinegar chips deeply. Oh, God. Calamari. Oh, we're all getting... Stop it. Everyone stop talking about delicious food. Yeah. Everyone stop talking about delicious food. It's really annoying me now. Oh, dear God. I'm trying to get a trend of where everything's going in the after hours, but it's pretty flat. It's pretty flat. Nice calm weekend. We're all gonna have a relaxing weekend. Martin, I also love hamburger. Yeah, up 2%. Grrr. Yeah, Martin's not happy. He's only made 2% on his millions of dollars, so he's only up like $20,000. Where 2.61. We've not got Kenneth. Dr. Nathan Smith's gone very quiet, so I don't know if he's here. So I'm going to call it 2.61. It looks like Clust is going to have it. I think Clust is going to have it. Martin also loves steak and potatoes. Yes. Oh, no. I'm getting so hungry because there's things I can't have in America that I eat all the time in England. And it's yeah, what can I say? Yeah, look at everything. Everything's trading sideways now. You can see it. Everything's trading sideways. Bell ain't rang yet. No, we've got 9 minutes. I'll give you that. I'll give you 9. Well, it has. We're actually in the after hours now. Of course we are. Oh, ribeye or porterhouse. Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking. The evening after drive home show, chicken with potatoes. This evening after the drive home show. I love it. I love how people are planning their dinner after my show. There you go. This evening after drive home, chicken with potatoes. England shepherd's pie. Yeah, with a bit of gravy, right? With a bit of gravy. Oh, blimey, bit of bisto. Ford trading sideways in the after hours. Rolls Royce, there we go, we're done for the day. Yes, I can't wait. There we go. Robinhood trading sideways. Lucid down. Just slightly up in the after hours, very slightly. It's moving up towards the positive. Harpoon Therapeutics trading sideways. Pfizer still continue to fall. I've got a little bit of a play in that one there. I've got myself 10 shares of Pfizer. Bitcoin, not much. Tonight I have the walleye fillets. Walleye fillets ready to be for breading after the show. Oh, fantastic. All this talk of food, but I tell you what, that's really got me hungry now. Why does that do that? Right. Okay. Well, I'm going to call it because we're in the after hours now. The bell is gone. We are now in the after hours, and it looks like hello. We've got somebody new here. Salute Q Fies 2. Salute Q Fies 2. Someone on YouTube has just joined us. That's interesting. Where are you from? I'd love to see from. Maybe it's one of our friends from TikTok that's come over to YouTube that wants to see the trading screens. Maybe it's that. Maybe it's that. Hi everyone. Let's see. Salute Q Fies 2. Does anyone know what language that is? I'd love to know what language that is. Where are you from? Where are you from, Salute? Because that name, that's very interesting. Hello and salute from Italy. There we go. If you've just come over today and it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. Hi, John, and give us a thumbs up. Are you Q and you Q's? What's going on? What bonjour? What language is that? Oh, John Brunette's popped in. He's been quiet, hasn't he? Have you been here all the time, John? Hello, look at that. We're getting all this stuff. I know I can't even read. We've got John's. What's going on? John's having a conversation in some language. I can't even read it, let alone comment to it. Good night. Tracy Field is here. Hello, Tracy Field over there on TikTok. We've got a full-on conversation going on. Hi, Eve19. Great update on stock market. Thank you very much. User 648, you're very, very welcome. He's from Algeria. He's speaking French. Wow, John. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, our friend from Algeria. It's lovely to have you here. Thank you so much indeed. If it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. If you are a YouTuber, if you want to post your YouTube link, I'll share it with the team. We are here to support everyone. We've got some people over there on TikTok saying, great updates on stock market, Martyn. Thank you very much. Come and see us on YouTube and you'll see the trading screens. Bonsoir. I can't speak French. I feel quite chuffed. From Algeria. Let us know, are you investing on the stock market? We've got Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is now starting to move. I think we're going to get some price action here this weekend. I'm expecting to see Bitcoin go over 50,000 this weekend. Let's see. Welcome, our friend. Oh, look at this. I'm going to need to copy some of this later on and translate it into my translator. Great and good cooking, Martin. There we go. Wonderful stuff. All right, well, we're coming to the end of the show. Thank you ever so much for everyone for being here. The end of our 4th week. This is the end of a 4th week, so we're going to celebrate. It's the end of our 1st month here on the Day Trader. All right, and there goes Bitcoin. I said it would. Look, it's starting to move. Look, and have a lovely dinner. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're coming to the end. Shall we have a look? See how we've grown on YouTube. Right, we started the show with 882. If I refresh the screen, 882 becomes, let's have a look, 887. We've gained 5 subscribers during the show. And it looks like John Brunette is going to take the lead at the last minute from Clust. Martin has got it, 4.5%. That's a great result. Look at that. I'm up 1.45, 1.48. That's my Bitcoin doing that. Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations, by the way. Let's give the prize tonight to John Brunette, all the way from Canada, who's done it. He is our day trader of the day, ending the week. There he is. Congratulations. Nice, man. That's a great result, 4.57. I bet he's loving that. He's loving that. He's taking us all out. He's taking us all out for dinner tonight. All right, that's the end of it. That's the end of a week. We've got a great party tonight lined up for you. I hope you'll join me. I'm going to do some rock and roll, some Elvis and some Queen tonight. Some Elvis and some Queen in the show tonight. Half an hour of that rock and roll time. If you want to come and join me, you know how to do it. You go onto the Day Trader channel, where you are right now. You scroll down, you find Martyn Lucas, and then you go down to the upcoming live streams. And made it, Bill, right at the end of the show. Right at the end of the show. And our new friend here from Algeria is here as well, right at the end of the show. Wonderful. There we go. We're getting some movement now. Look, Bitcoin is taking off for the weekend. We're about to get that. It's gonna happen in the next. There it goes. In the next half an hour. Look, here we go. That's probably, there it goes. I told you. I literally predicted that. Do I get a prize for being spot on? I said around this time, as we close the show, Bitcoin would start to take off, and it's going to go up to 50,000. So if you want to make some money, I'm not a financial advisor, but I know that Bitcoin is about to go to 50, and it could even go as high as 60,000 this weekend, because all those contracts are expiring now as we speak. There it goes. Watch it. There it is. 48.7. It's going up right now. 48.8. Bitcoin was the most contributing factor. Yes, John, I know it's my best position too. There it is, 48.8. John's got $12,000 in it, right? Is that right? You got $12,000, I think, in it. There we go. We're up today 4%. But the action is going to be later on tonight. In the next half an hour, this is going to happen, I think. Thank you very much indeed for our friend from Algeria. It's kind of crazy. Everyone's talking French. I'm like, what sort of channel is this? If it's your very first time, click subscriber in the bell. This morning was a great day. What a great day to finish. We're now making massive strides in Bitcoin. We had 20 people today in the show. That was a record. My portfolio is going to love this. I'm so glad I'm still in. Next time I'll teach you some Greek words, Martin. Thank you so much. There we go. 51.3. 51.3. We're motoring now. Look on the day. I'm up $844 today. 845. 847. This is going to really move now. We've got so much Bitcoin action around the world today, and I mean around the world. we've had millions and millions and millions of dollars worth of contracts expiring, and this is only going to drive the price up. Look at it, look at it go. 51.3. Let's look at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is actually doing. I'm going to end the show because we need to go. But this is very, very exciting. If you got in Bitcoin right now, you're going to be very happy. Gaia Wally, Mahesh over there on TikTok. Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for being here. Tap on the screen. If you tap on the screen, it helps me grow and gives me a bit of love. There we go. Absolutely great. There goes Bitcoin again. Its second little go. Oh, let's expand the chart. Let's have a look at the... let's have a look at it. Let's expand the chart. Look, here we go. Look at all that buying just suddenly coming in there, look. You like your candlesticks? There you go. You can see it all there. And there's going to be a lot more of that this weekend. So, I've got to run as I watch Bitcoin take off. There we are. We're 49,000 now. It's going to be go through 50, and it could even hit 60 today because it's going to be 100,000 by the end of the year. So get ready for a really big push. Very, very excited about it. Aaron, I want to say hello to Aaron over there on TikTok. Welcome. Great updates on the market. Thank you ever so much indeed for some users 648. That's it, folks. I hope everyone enjoyed the show. It's time to relax. It's time to eat and drink and have a weekend. So I'm going to finish the show, take a weekend off. I'm going to go over now to the studios, get myself ready here. This is the studios. It's all ready. And we're going to do some Elvis and some Queen. About 20 minutes, half an hour of that. And we're going to celebrate. Last night, we had 2,400 people watch me in tonight's show. Right? Last night. So tonight, let's see what happens. It's been up every single time. So very, very excited. So it just leaves me to say, God bless America. God save the Queen. Thank you for a wonderful week. Thank you for 4 weeks of growth here on the stock market and, of course, in our channel. So exciting. We just keep on growing on the channel. 887 subscribers. We gained 5 today in the show. Absolutely wonderful. 887. Look at that. Brilliant. Good night, everyone, traders. Oh, man, I will need FPV now. What's an I will need an FPV. What's an FPV? John, what's that? Quickly, before we go. I will need an FPV. Having a great weekend, taking Trixie out. Oh, taking the new car out. Oh, very nice. You drive safe, Martin. Have a wonderful time. Just before we go, what does FPV mean? DJI. Oh, we're flying the drone. Bill's flying the drone. Great. All right. Thank you ever so much, everybody. We got to run. Got to get ready for my Queen, and of course some rock and roll with the Beatles as well. We're gonna have some fun this tonight. All right. And someone requested Billy Joel as well. Wanted a Billy Joel song. All right. Oh, first person view. Oh, I got it. DJI. I got it. Now I'm with it. I've only got a Mavic Pro, but I had no idea what you're talking about. All right, I'm going to get ready. We've only got 25 minutes. Take care of yourself. Ciao. Hey, we had our friend in from Algeria, right? Bye-bye, everybody. See you later. See you back on Monday, if not for the party afterwards. Bye-bye for now.